Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get in $50 Okta and Auth0 certification exam voucher. So big sale on your career upgrade. So already Okta on the Auth0 certifications are there. You can now renew your certification for the free. Use your one free attempt voucher on any Okta certification maintenance exam and planning to earn a new certification. You are eligible for the one-time certification attempt only in $50. Means you have to pay $50 instead of $250. So original price of the certification is $250. Instead of that, you have to pay only the $50 for the professional certification. So I'll go through the step-by-step process and show you. So main thing important guidelines are there. This voucher credit codes are valid for the one attempt only. If you miss your schedule exam, the code cannot be reused or replaced. You must schedule and complete your exam on or before 31st of Jan 2026. So this is the URL. I'm going to open this URL. So now just click on the next. This is a survey. So which best describe your current role on the organization? So just like I'm a technical person, so I'm going to technical. And how many years of experience? More than 11. Which region? Asia. Which industry? Put anyone. So technology. Click on next. So just put anyone. And there is a which following Okta or Auth0 certification do you currently hold? I don't have any. Click on next. So what is the single biggest factor would you motivate you to get Okta's more industry recognition? In opinion, security risk somewhat reduce. And which other certification, professional IT and security certification do you currently hold? So Microsoft is there. So click on next. So do you have any additional feedback? No. And are you interested in adding your name, email address, or additional information? Just click on no, thank you. So click on next. Do you have additional feedback? I'm putting NA. So click on next. So this is the code. You can earn the code by clicking next or completing the survey report. So this is the code. So this code is one free attempt on the Okta certification maintenance exam, and this is for the renew. Okay, just remember that not free. Okay, if you are going for the renew, you already you have to hold the certification and you are going to renew, then you can use this coupon. Or would you like to attempt the new Okta and Auth0 certification exam? Then you can go for the $50 attempt, one Okta and Auth or certification exam. This code is there. So I'm going to open one of them. So Okta certification exam. Just let me open this. So click on this and I'm going to start this one. Okay. So here other details are there. So continue. I'm going to log in. Continue. So not the Okta customer. So sign in, create account. So sign up and give your email address. So click on sign up. Now send a verification. So it will send you the email address on this on verification link or continue or enter your code. Both the way you can go. There is your Okta is there. So wait, let me open. Yeah, open. So this is the code. You can click and open also. You can go through the code also. So verify. Now you can just set up the Google authentication authenticator or anyone. So I'm going to set up. So open in your mobile any authenticator app or Google authenticator app and just scan this. So I'm getting the code. So click on next. Put the code 751708. Just click on verify. So done. Now go to the continue. Okay, so this is a maintenance exam. So order to register, complete the following. So I'll do one more thing. Let me check. So $250. So now I'll just click on start. Click on this. So next, next, and proceed to exam provider. So here I'm going to schedule my exam. So my profile is not completed. So let me complete the profile. So edit. So same thing you have to do. Just time zone, India, country India, not your state, and save. Okay, required the phone number 9188776631. Chirag tutorial and city. Now click on save. So done. Next is the we need to edit this one. Any security question. So so as per your requirement, you can change the security question. I'm giving for the random. So done. Now only one is missing. The email key. So come here. Okay. So click on save. So done. Now I'm going for the schedule exam. So here you can select, and you can select any of the date, any of the time as per your convenience. Just click here. Okay. So here price is $250. So I'll put this coupon. So click on apply. So there is a promotion successfully applied. There is instead of 200, you have to pay only $50. Okay, instead of $200. So click on the next, and you have to payment information, and then confirmation will come. So all the process I've shown you. So in this video, we have learned how to get in $50 Okta Auth0 certification exam voucher. Big save big in your career growth. And already Okta and Auth0 certification is there. Then you can use the previous voucher. And for the new certification, you can go through the next voucher. And you must schedule and complete your exam before Jan 2026, Jan 31st 2026. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the fair use section 107 copyright act 1976. And you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel. I am providing the certification information regarding that and learning content. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box, and don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Thank you.